Hi, my name is Beth Winehouse, and I'm an environmental engineer. My son Shane is in Miss Magaha's fourth grade class, and my daughter Frankie is in Miss Hammond's 3-year-old pre-K class. And guess what? I am a Gator, just like you all. You all are Elbridge Gale Gators. Well, I'm a Gator from the University of Florida. I went to school after high school. I got my bachelor's and master's in environmental engineering, and it took me 7 years. And then after that, I worked for 4 years and passed a test to be able to put my stamp on different documents and be considered a professional engineer. You all might know that engineers build things. They build things like bridges and cars, roller coasters, and rockets, and even robots. But what do environmental engineers build? Well, let's think about it. What does the environment mean? The environment means anything that's around us. So things like the air, the trees and grass and bushes, and even rivers and lakes and streams and oceans. Environmental engineers build things that help keep nature clean. Why would we need to keep nature clean? Well, I have to tell you, people are messy and dirty, and they create lots and lots of waste if you're not recycling. So environmental engineers find ways to keep that waste from making the surrounding areas dirty and make it less stinky too. Sometimes they even turn the landfills from stinky piles of garbage into parks and playgrounds that we can all enjoy. People also create water waste. Anything that goes down the toilet and anything that goes down this drain in your sinks, like after washing hands or cooking, that's all wastewater. And wastewater is treated through many different processes, sometimes using tanks, sometimes using grates and screens to be able to make it clean enough to discharge back into the nature and into the environment. What I do specifically is keep soil and groundwater clean. And we need this because almost everything that we have is made out of plastics or chemicals. And sometimes these chemicals can pollute the environment. They can deposit different contaminants in soil and or discharge it to the rivers and lakes. And so my job is to clean up those contaminants or pollutants, those bad things in the soil and the groundwater. And one of my favorite ways to do that is by putting in more plants and the trees and different kinds of vegetation can help clean up the soil and groundwater. Environmental engineers keep nature clean. But how do I do that? What's my everyday workday like? Well, I gotta say, it's a lot like yours has been this year. I sit at my computer and I talk to people and I do math and I write. And sometimes I even make slides to communicate different ideas, just like these. And what subjects are important for me as an environmental engineer? Well, I do a lot of math and I do a lot of science, but the most important thing that I need to do is get out and enjoy nature. Because why am I going to work hard to protect it unless I'm enjoying it? So I hike and I bike and I'm active, and I hope you all are too. Thank you so much for your time and attention. And I hope you learned something, and I hope you all have a great day.